In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Ecwid store in our 2025 tutorial. Whether you're new to managing your online business or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your store looks its best. Let's dive in and make those edits with confidence. First, we need to head over to the Ecwid control panel. This is your starting point for all things related to management and customization for your store. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so. Once inside, you'll see a user-friendly interface that puts all the tools you need at your fingertips. Navigating through it, you'll find a range of options designed to help you tweak and perfect each aspect of your online storefront. Next, you'll want to locate and click on Website Settings. This section is crucial because it allows you to control the overall look and feel of your site, ensuring it reflects your brand perfectly. Here, you'll have access to various tools and settings ranging from layout selections to color schemes. Take a moment to explore these options to understand the latitude you have when making changes. Now comes the exciting part, editing your store. Within the editor, you'll find an array of different features to customize everything from product descriptions to homepage arrangements. You'll be able to adjust text, images, and even the placement of different elements on your pages, making sure every detail aligns with your vision. When you're editing, think about your customer's experience and how you can make browsing and shopping as intuitive and enjoyable as possible. While you're making adjustments, it's always a good idea to periodically preview your site. This ensures that the changes you're applying look as intended, and it helps catch any potential issues before going live. Don't hesitate to test different elements to see what works best. Sometimes small tweaks can make a big difference. Once you're happy with the changes, save your work. Remember that you can always revisit the Ecwid control panel to make further adjustments or enhancements as your business grows. The beauty of this platform lies in its flexibility and its ability to evolve alongside your brand. And there you have it, a straightforward process to edit your Ecwid store in 2025. By following these steps, you can create a polished and professional online presence that stands out. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments you might have below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on managing your online store.